Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB leader. Be part of history, every voice matters. Watch as everyday Nigerians speak truth to power and rally behind the hashtag #FreeNamdiKanu movement.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case is not the kind of case you, as a judge, will like to dabble into, take your own decision, and maybe give a verdict. If you do that, one, there may be international backlash on you, there may be national backlash on you, that might also be a professional backlash on you. And like I said the other day when I was trying to give my advice, because I said I don't want to discuss matters that are ongoing, I said Justice Omotosho is still relatively a young man who has a lot of future at the bench. In fact, God willing, on his side, he might reach the Supreme Court. But this Nnamdi Kanu's case has a propensity of either destroying a judge or elevating a judge.
I mean,
either way, you can choose any of the options. Because remember, Omotosho is not the first person that this case was assigned to. The other judges were assigned to who refused. And like I say here most of the time, that when judges who go for election tribunal, where politicians destroy judges anyhow they like through bribery, I keep on saying now that it is voluntary. If you want to go, you fill the form and say I want to go for election tribunal. I told you, any judge who is going for election tribunal, is there something he's looking for him or he's looking for something? So because under decent judges may not like to go there. So any judge who dabbles into Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case must guard his lions very, very well. You must guard your lions, because while you are discussing a case in court, the same case is being discussed in the hallowed temple of politicians in Russia.
That's right.
It's being discussed in hallowed temples of politicians in the United States. The same matter you are handling in court. That's why I say whichever judge wants to take up now must be extra circumspect what he's going to do.
They're here. That distort the news. You don't know what law is. You don't know what justice is. Where's the news agency of Nigeria? What are they? You don't know that God is a God of justice. You don't know that? That God in heaven is a God of justice. You don't know that?
If you don't allow we Biafrans to go, that zoological republic called Nigeria will be a worse place than Somalia. And today it is happening. And if you have not applied for your Somalian visa, please try and do so. Should I say Somali visa? Try and do so as quickly as possible, because the zoo is on the path of destruction. And there is nothing man can do to reverse it. Mark today's date and what I'm telling you. Nigeria will be destroyed beyond human comprehension. If you don't allow we Biafrans to go.
Today, nobody is talking about the release of Nnamdi. It's quite unfortunate. Anambra State Governor has been maligning the integrity of
Thanks Biafrans and lovers of freedom worldwide for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV. We criticized Igbo elites who only speak on television or social media. #FreeNamdiKanu now.